Presented in partnership with the University of Phoenix. An educated world is a better world.
First up, a cough.
3, 2, 1.
Excuse me.
I saw your hair blow back.
Did you?
Yeah.
That's a good cough.
Let's break down Natasha's cough, shall we? Coughs project thousands of bacteria up to 7 feet away with a force that hits my face at 55 miles per hour. I can feel her phlegm drying on my giant forehead. Now, Doc's favorite part, testing me with that little bacterial meter of his. Remember, anything above 30 is a super germy zone that would shut down a restaurant. In just about 8 seconds or so, we're going to find out how disgusting my face is vis-a-vis Natasha's mouth. What do you see, Natasha?
38.
38?
Oh.
38, you filthy pig.
Twice as microbial as the dog's mouth.
What?
Yeah, that's your mouth is worse than mine.
Dogs?
You're twice as bad. The dog was 22.
I think it's now time to go for the sneeze.
Why would the sneeze be different?
It's coming from a little bit different in terms of where the stuff's coming from. The force is different. The
Let's
spray
do
is
it.
different. Let's go for it.
Dr. Dunn gives Natasha cayenne pepper to help make her sneeze. Sometimes old school methods work best. Sneeze on me. Sneeze. Come on, sneeze on me. Do it.
Oh.
God. Hey, man, I had a wang to it. Natasha's sneeze is spewing up to 5,000 droplets in 1 second. Trust me, I could feel every one of them. Each drop teeming with a couple dozen bacteria spraying me at 100 miles an hour, about twice the speed of a cough. All right, hurry up. God.
You're shiny now.
Well, sure I'm shiny. I'm like a glazed donut. This is a weird show.
Here we go. Do you want to hold it?
Yes, of course I want to hold it. In 10 seconds, we'll know if Natasha's more disgusting when she sneezes or when she coughs. 3, 2, where are we?
Oh,
What do you got?
45.
45? Let's get her to a hospital. Wow, 45? Maybe I'm the one who should get help. A reading of 45 puts me squarely in the contaminated zone, requiring immediate disinfecting.